यार ये गले में खराश बहुत है यार. विक्स विक्स ले लिया मैंने. I've taken Vicks, but it's still not. I mean, it just keeps coming back. This weather, I tell you, pretty bad. What? Yeah, I'm back with my brilliant acting skills. अब लाइफ में ड्रामा तो जरूरी है ना यार. वैसे भी हम लाइफ में ड्रामा ही करते रहते हैं, तो वीडियो में क्यों नहीं भाई. And you may have guessed it by now. You've also read the description. Yes, we're going to talk about the coughs. So yes, change in weather could be one of the reasons. Infection, another reason for coughs. But as you know, I am a key to your emotional well-being. So I will keep talking about mind, body, soul, the SOULISTIC approach to all ailments. So cough, again, is a result of us not being able to express ourselves well. इधर होता है ना, this is throat, as you know, gala. Your vocal cords, our ability to speak, ability to express ourselves, and perhaps ability to swallow food. Yeah, right. But what happens when you swallow your anger, your emotions? Obviously, it'll get stuck, no? And because you're swallowing your anger to speak up, it'll get stuck here. And which is why the cough. So cough is in a way a sign that you're giving to the world, asking them to listen to you. कोई मेरी बात सुन क्यों नहीं रहा है यार? Why aren't you listening to me? You feel angry when people don't understand you. You feel angry when someone doesn't express their love. When you're not able to speak up for yourself, you get angry. That anger is towards your own self. But you are transposing it on to the world. And which is why that cough. Right? It is nothing but your suppression of your, allow me to use that word, negative thoughts and painful experiences. You're just swallowing it without addressing it. But you got Akki ke nuske, फायदेमंद nuske. So as always, the first thing is seek medical help if it's chronic cough that you're facing, that you're having. You could approach a general physician or an ENT specialist, get it sorted. And then focus on not just swallowing your food, but also to address your anger. Don't swallow that anger, don't swallow that emotion. Allow yourself to process it, connect to it. Speak up for yourself. See, the base of that anger is fear. There is a fear. That's the underlying fear. Address that underlying fear. Go deep within yourself. क्या है वो? What is the fear? Then move towards addressing your anger. Speak up, share your thoughts, your views and opinions. If you feel people are not going to understand you, then they will not understand you. Because this confusion will not allow you to speak clearly. And people will then ignore you. Again, that will lead to a lot of anger. So, Just calm down, address that fear, address that anger, articulate your thoughts. What is it that you want to say? And gather the courage to speak up. You will gradually find yourself becoming confident when it comes to speaking up. And focus on processing your emotions every moment of your life, because that will keep you in motion every day. Yeah? So, todi nak tabla ne phodi nak peti. Address your anger and keep moving ahead in life. If you like this video, share it with your loved ones. And subscribe to my channel at Samaksh Wellness. Thank you and see you soon.